Hello, my dear friends. How are you guys? So today I am gonna be testing here some new makeup products that I got through my subscription boxes. My husband, he just stopped by to give me a drink. This is the Brazilian drink called caipirinha. It's similar to a margarita, but instead of tequila, it's our liquor that is called cachaça. I am gonna start using this grip primer from Milk. I think that this one has CBD. I am assuming that it's very calming, so my skin is already hydrated and I already applied some sunscreen. It's very cooling. Okay, so I have rosacea. My skin is very sensitive, so every time that I press my skin, you're gonna see that I have red patches like here and on my nose, and actually here around my chin area it's very dry. Okay, so I like to start my makeup through my eye area. I'm gonna be using this eye palette from Beauty Bakery. This palette I got on my FabFitFun box. Didn't know this brand before, but the pigmentation is awesome. I'm gonna apply this shade here that is called Rice Pudding all over my eye area. My makeup is usually very simple. It's more like natural look. This is what you're gonna find here on my channel. We have a pretty good base here now. So now I'm gonna use the shade Bread Pudding. It's this one here. Now I'm gonna use this Naked Cosmetics eyeshadow pigment. This is a pressed pigment in the shade Blushing Browns. In my inner corners, I am gonna use from Colored Rain. Hopefully I pronounce it right, but it's this one here. And I like just to come with a blending brush and kind of mix those two shades together. I am now gonna use this eyeliner from Girl Attic in the shade Black. Now with mascara. I'm gonna try this Rodeo Glamolash Mascara XXL. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I am gonna come back. Eyebrows done. So now I'm gonna try this sample from Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation. So I'm gonna try the medium honey because now I am not that tan. As I mentioned to you guys, I have rosacea. Whenever I'm trying foundation for the first time, I really like not to cover my pores. And also I don't like to use anything that's gonna calm down my rosacea because I like to try things and see how Let's apply some concealer, and for concealer I am using Tarte Shade Tape. For my translucent loose powder, I'm gonna use this one from Kat Von D, the Locket. As for highlighter, I am gonna use from Wonder Beauty the After Hours. And for lips, I'm gonna use this one from Floss, and the shade is Lex. And as for setting spray, I am gonna be using this one from Bare Minerals. It's Dew Mist Setting Spray. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe here on my channel, okay? See you next time.